Hey everybody, it's Ryan here with Blue Black Digital, and I wanted to make this video about setting up your Amazon affiliate program. Just a heads up, when I recorded this video, I didn't realize that the audio wasn't on, so this audio will not sync with my lips. Okay, once you click on sign up, it'll take you to a screen, and there you'll actually put in your address information. So you just follow that. Alright, once you have that finished, it'll take you to this page here where they want you to put in your website. So what you do is you go to your YouTube channel, probably customize channel is what you want to go to. Yeah, customize channel and then basic information. You'll copy your URL and then you'll just stick that where it says enter your website and you'll add that. And that's all it takes. Is directed to children, it's probably going to be a no, unless you have like a channel that's opening toys or something. You'll know if it's directed to children or not, and you can just confirm. For what's your preferred associate ID, you can just use your YouTube channel name. For what are your websites or mobile apps about, you'll just want to put in your main content. So for example, mine is technology. The next section, which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile app, would be the main topics you could talk about on your channel. So mine would be technology, computers, software technology. The other one is education. Obviously you're learning something here, hopefully. So just whatever fits your channel the best. If you have more than two, you can add another topic on the right hand side. Now it's what kind of items are you planning on selling? Even if you don't check mark it, you can still sell it. I think it just helps Amazon see what you want to sell. For this section, what types are your website? For everybody, it's probably going to be content or niche website and search. Alright, how do you drive traffic to your website? So in this case, how do you drive traffic to your channel? Everybody probably SEO because that's a part of YouTube. For me, blogs, because I have a business site and I post my YouTube videos there as well. If you have any kind of Facebook page that you post your videos to, then you can use social media. If any of these also pertain to you, then click on it. Okay, so how do you utilize your website to generate income? You're going to choose Amazon Associate, the bottom one. How do you build backlinks? Just choose other. And then depending on how large your channel is, my channel is very small, so it's less than 500. Primary reason to monetize. And then how did you hear about us? If you're watching this video and you're signing up, then word of mouth, but I don't think it really matters either way. Okay, so this pretty much says that you did it, good job. But you have 180 days to sell 3 items or else you get kicked from the account. You can always sign up again. And once you start making money, then you can put in your payment and tax information. So you can just do this at a later date. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get products to link on your YouTube channel. You go to product linking and then product links. And then in the search box is where you actually find the products. So I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so here's the microphone that I bought a while ago. It's really great in case you want to get it. Wink, wink. So then you click on get linked. Then I recommend clicking on shorten URL with Amazon. And then highlight HTML, and this right here is your link that you're going to want to put into your channel. Then you can go to your channel, go to settings, and then upload defaults. And you can just put your affiliate link in there so you don't have to put it into each video manually. Don't forget to mention that's affiliate link. If you don't, then you're breaking an Amazon policy. Make sure you include that. And that's it. My next video, I'll show you guys about buy me a coffee and explain to you what that is and benefits. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to like, subscribe, and have a good day.